just to give y'all a little snippet. Let's see. Let's open one up, y'all. Y'all see that? That's what you want. Hi, y'all. Welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen, and I'm back at y'all with another great video. Today, y'all, we will be making the crazy puffs. I know y'all been seeing Little Ceasars, the little crazy puffs that's going around. They are so good. I went and got some myself, and I said to myself, I can make this for the channel. We're gonna make it ourselves, y'all. All right, so what you will need in order to make your crazy puffs is this stuff over here. I got some pizza crust. You can use this piece of crust or Pillsbury, whichever. I got this one because it was longer than the Pillsbury, and I want to make sure I had enough dough. Then I also got some pepperonis. I got some pizza sauce. Use any pizza sauce you want. I chose this one. It just looked good. Got some parsley flakes, some Italian seasoning. Got some olive oil. Got some vegetable oil cooking spray. And last but not least, I got some mozzarella cheese, y'all. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. Making the crazy puffs. Let's see, we're gonna open this up. I've never bought this dough before, y'all, so, you know, we're doing this together. Let me get my cookie sheet out. I'm just gonna unroll it like this. Alright. And then I also have my cupcake thing. It's seen better days. I'm trying to talk about my pan, but yeah, you need a cupcake pan. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm just gonna cut squares. I'm gonna cut squares, y'all, like this. Cause it's not pre-cut. So just like that. Alright, so now see I got my dough. What we're going to do is get our cupcake sheet, and you want to spray it with your cooking spray. You can use canola oil, whatever oil you got. If you don't have the spray, if you have the vegetable oil that come in, you can get a paper towel and like dab it and then rub the insides like that if you don't have the spray. Alright, so what I'm going to do, y'all, is just place my squares inside the cookie sheet, just like that. Dough is a little sticky, but it's okay. Well, knocking stuff over, y'all. And we're just gonna do this until we go all the way up, y'all. So I'm just gonna keep cutting these like this until I have all my cookie things filled, or until I run out of dough. All right, y'all, when I come back, we're going to start loading it. Be right back. All right, y'all. Put that to the side. So as y'all see, we got all of our dough in there. So we're going to go ahead and open up our pepperonis. Going to get everything open. I'll go ahead and get our cheese open. And y'all, like, I'm just making the pepperoni crazy puffs. But y'all, with this ingredient, you can do anything you want. I seen a recipe where she put pineapples and ham. You can do sausage. You can do any filling you want. However you like your pizza. I'm just doing it the way Little Ceasar's doing it because I love pepperoni pizza. I love it. All right, so we got our sauce open. We got our cheese open. So the first thing we're going to go down with is sauce. Let me get a spoon. So we're just going to put some tomato sauce in each one, like that. Oh, this sauce smells so good, y'all. Oh my God. It smells so good. Let me show you my sauce again. Authentic Italian sauce, and it smells so good. Happy about this. All right, y'all. So we got sauce in all of them. Next, we're going to go down with our pepperoni. Put 2 in each. 2. Alright, y'all. This is such of an easy recipe. Boom. Got that in there. Then we're going to go down with our creamy mozzarella. Now, if you want a really good cheese pool, you would grade your own cheese. You would grade it up yourself. But again, this is quick, fast, easy recipes, y'all. We ain't got time to be grading no cheese. Who grades cheese? Not us. Alright, y'all. Now what I'm going to do is go down with more pepperoni. I'm going to just put 1 on each one. Just 1 on top. Alright. And I'm going to go down with a little bit more cheese on top, y'all. This is what you want, y'all. It's going to be so good. Alright, y'all. Now what we're going to do is go down with a little bit of olive oil in each one. Just a little dab, y'all. Just literally like a drop. Alright. Then, y'all, I'm going to top mine with some Italian seasoning. Just like that. One second, I dropped my parsley. Let me get it. Alright. We're going to go down with some parsley, y'all. It just makes it so pretty. This is completely optional. And if you have some fresh parsley on hand, then yeah, gonna use that fresh parsley. And then yeah, that's all, y'all. So I have my oven set at 375. We're gonna put these in the oven for about 20 minutes on 375, and we're gonna check them and see where we are. This is our finished product for the crazy puffers. I think the access, I'm just gonna flap like that. All right, y'all. So we're about to put these in the oven. And we will be back in 20 minutes to see where we at. Got my oven mitt.
Do it again.
All right. I'm singing. What is bad, boys? All right, y'all. There you have it. These are fresh out of the oven, and they look amazing. Little Ceasars who? You better get in that kitchen and make them yourself. And you make way more. You can get way more than just 4 of them little things. You just make a whole, you make as many as you want. And then with that dough I had, I could have actually made more. So yeah, the sky's the limit. All right, y'all. So what I'm going to do is let these chill off. Let them cool for about 5 minutes or so. And we're going to plate them. And I'll be right back. All right, y'all, there you have it, y'all. This is the finished product. These are the crazy puffs from Little Ceasars, but Shell's way. You can definitely make it yourself, y'all. Just to give y'all a little snippet. Let's see. Let's open one up, y'all. Y'all see that? That's what you want. I would try some, but it is so hot. It's extremely hot. Oh, yeah, that's good, y'all. So don't walk. Run to the grocery store and get the ingredients to make your own crazy puffs. So good. This is what you want, y'all. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in to Chell's Kitchen, and I will be back with another great video. I hope everyone is having a blessed day, and I will be back with another great video. Have a good one.